We have gathered reviews from across the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Jet Torch Lighter. Green Flame Ace Card Refillable Butane Metal Windproof Poker of Spades Cool Lighter Design. Suitable for outdoor, indoor camping, BBQ, candle lighting, birthdays, and as a gift for men. If you own this item, please consider leaving your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Jet Torch Lighter by Clasite stands out immediately with its unique Ace of Spades card design and striking green flame. The lighter is crafted using a PVD ice surface process, which is intended to make the surface smoother, more delicate, and more durable. The product is made primarily from zinc alloy and aluminum with multi-layer plating to enhance corrosion and rust resistance. Its compact dimensions, 2.36 inches in length, 1.57 inches in width, and 0.59 inches in thickness, make it easy to carry in a pocket or bag, and its weight of just under 3 ounces ensures it remains lightweight and portable. One of the most notable features is the green flame, which immediately sets this lighter apart from standard butane lighters. This visual effect is achieved through the use of a reactive metal component, and many users report that the green flame is both vivid and eye-catching, making it a conversation starter at gatherings or outdoor events. The lighter also features a side-slide ignition mechanism, which is designed for smooth operation and adds to the overall uniqueness of the product. Beyond aesthetics, the Jet Torch Lighter is equipped with a windproof design, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. This is particularly useful for camping, hiking, beach barbecues, or lighting candles and grills in windy environments. In addition, the lighter includes an LED UV currency detector, a feature that is not commonly found in lighters. This function allows users to verify the authenticity of banknotes, adding a layer of practicality for those who might find themselves handling cash in different settings. The lighter is refillable with butane, which is not included due to shipping regulations. Refilling is straightforward, with clear instructions provided in the packaging. After refilling, users are advised to shake the lighter several times to ensure the fuel is evenly distributed. Flame height is adjustable via a wheel at the bottom, allowing for customization to suit different needs, from lighting a candle to starting a campfire. The product is presented in a gift box, making it suitable for special occasions, holidays, anniversaries, or as a business gift. User feedback for the Jet Torch Lighter is mixed, reflecting a range of experiences. Many customers praise the lighter for its distinctive design, solid construction, and the novelty of the green flame. Several reviewers mention that the lighter works well out of the box, producing a strong and steady flame that is effective for lighting various items. The UV currency detector is highlighted as a handy addition, especially for those who appreciate multifunctional gadgets. The lighter's compact size and portability are also frequently cited as positives, with users noting that it fits easily into pockets and is convenient to carry during outdoor activities. However, there are recurring concerns regarding reliability and build quality. Some users report that their lighter arrived broken or developed issues shortly after purchase. A common complaint is that the green flame effect diminishes or stops working after a few days of use, likely due to the depletion or melting of the reactive metal responsible for the color. Others note that the lighter sometimes fails to spark consistently, or that the flint mechanism is unreliable. There are also reports of the lighter leaking butane, either before or after ignition, and in some cases, even when the lighter is closed and stationary. These issues suggest variability in manufacturing quality and highlight the importance of careful handling, especially when refilling or adjusting the flame. Another point of feedback concerns the actual size and flame output of the lighter. While the product is marketed as a torch lighter, some users find that the flame is smaller than expected and does not function as a true torch, regardless of the fuel level. This discrepancy between expectations and actual performance has led to disappointment for those seeking a powerful torch flame for more demanding tasks. Additionally, the lighter's small size, while convenient for portability, may not appeal to those who prefer a more substantial grip or larger flame area. Despite these drawbacks, the Jet Torch Lighter remains popular among those who value its appearance and novelty. The Ace card design, green flame, and UV detector combine to create a product that stands out in a crowded market. For less than $10, many users feel that the lighter offers good value, especially as a gift or conversation piece. The included gift box and instructions add to the overall presentation, making it suitable for birthdays or special occasions. In terms of durability, experiences vary. Some users report that the lighter holds up well over time, maintaining its finish and functionality with regular use. Others, however, encounter issues with the ignition mechanism or the green flame effect after limited use. The flame adjustment wheel is generally appreciated, but users caution against over-tightening the screw at the bottom during refilling, as this can cause the internal mechanism to become stuck and impair functionality. The lighter's windproof feature is generally effective, with most users able to light it in breezy conditions. This makes it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who needs a reliable flame in less than ideal weather. The UV currency detector, while not a primary selling point for all users, is a unique addition that adds a layer of utility beyond simple ignition. Aesthetically, the Jet Torch lighter receives high marks for its sleek, card-shaped design and the striking Ace of Spades motif. The PVD ice surface process gives the lighter a smooth, polished appearance, and the green flame provides a dramatic effect when functioning correctly. The lighter's compact form factor and lightweight construction make it easy to carry, and the overall look is both modern and playful, appealing to a wide range of users. On the downside, the inconsistency in build quality and the potential for malfunction are significant considerations. The green flame effect, while impressive, may not last indefinitely, and the reliability of the ignition mechanism appears to vary from unit to unit. Some users experience issues with butane leakage or difficulty in achieving a consistent spark, which can detract from the overall user experience. The absence of included butane is standard for shipping, but means that users must purchase fuel separately before first use. In summary, the Jet Torch lighter by Classit is a visually striking, multifunctional lighter that offers a blend of style and practicality. Its standout features include the green flame, Ace card design, windproof construction, and UV currency detector. The lighter is compact, portable, and presented in a gift box, making it suitable for personal use or as a gift. User experiences vary, with many praising its appearance and value for money, while others encounter issues with reliability and flame consistency. For those seeking a unique, conversation-starting lighter with added features, the Jet Torch lighter is an appealing option, especially at its affordable price point. However, potential buyers should be aware of the mixed reviews regarding durability and performance. If you have used this lighter, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel.